Hi guys, today we will discuss SA 200. What is SA 200? Overall objective of the independent auditor. And second requirement is conduct of an audit in accordance with standards on audit. What is the overall objective of an auditor? Auditor has to express an opinion. What opinion? Financial statements are free from fraud and error, or financial statement contains fraud and error, or certain area fraud and error has been affected. For an example, I will tell you. Nowadays, in the scenario of COVID, we will go on through the antigen test. What the pathologist doing? They're collecting the swabs and giving an opinion whether there is a existence of COVID-19 virus or not. Similar way, auditor has to examine the books of accounts, records, other documents, and after that he will comes an opinion. Financial statements are free from fraud and error, or financial statements contain fraud and error, or financial statement in certain aspects affected by fraud and error. SA 200 gives certain ethical requirement, what qualities auditor should possess. Auditing consisting of examination of financial transactions, and thereby it is susceptible by the frauds. People committing frauds are high influenceable persons, isn't it? So when an auditor conducting an audit, if he find out any frauds, the people of high authority might influence him, and they might ask the auditor to give a clean sheet by offering money or threats or whatever. So the SA 200 specifies the basic requirement is independence. Independence of the mind, independence of the body. He should be independently able to conduct the audit. See, if I have doubt, whenever I am conducting the audit, I doesn't have the competency, always calling somebody else how to do this work, how to do that work. In that case, there is no independence. So, this is the basic requirement. Independence should not be influenced. Then, other requirements. Requirements number 1 is integrity. Auditor should be honest. Whatever he finds out in the financial statements, he has to report without fear. If he finds out fraud, he has to report that. In that case, the people of high authorities might influence. He should be free from such influence. He should be honestly report what he has find out in the financial statement. And the requirement number 2, objectivity. See, the people does not have enough income, might approach a CA for applying the loans. They want to show the bogus income, isn't it? Blind chartered accountants might sign the reports and the people will avail the loans. After that, there might be defaults, isn't it? Objectivity means has to give an opinion after examination. By blind with prejudice should not conduct any kind of audit. Third requirement is the confidentiality. Whatever information is acquired by the auditor is sensitive to the organization. What will happen if it is leaked by the auditor, posted in Facebook kind of things? The information might be reached in the hands of competitors. That may be harms to the organization. So he should be confidential for the informations he has achieved. And another requirement is the professional competency due care. He has to conduct work according to the experience which he has earned, acquired in his training, education courses in CA, and his practical experience. He has to give due care. Otherwise, it will become professional negligence at the later point of time. Then professional behavior. It's just nothing. CA should be appeared in his words, appearance should be in professional way, neat dress, bath, tight kind of things is included in that. So these are the ethical requirement. These are the basic qualities a chartered accountant should possess. Then another requirement in this standard mentions audit has to be conducted according to the standards of audit. What is standards of audit? How to conduct audit? In what manner the audit has to be done is mentioned in each standards. Certain standards are applicable to the organization, some standards are not applicable to the organizations, but audit has to be conducted according to standards of audit. Ignore the inapplicable standards for the organization. All standards are not applicable. Certain standards may be not applicable for the organization. For an example, expert. The organization is basic kind of organization. There need not apply the experts. Same way the recurring audit. In that case, initial audit engagement standards may not be worked out. So this is our basic simple discussions on standard SA 200. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.